Oh man, people, we're down. We got down day, down bad. All right, all the calls are down, except for Eric. But that one I'm liking. Okay, now I want to say here, wait a minute. How do I move this down? This stupid thing. Okay, I'm looking. Those auroras. I should have fucking waited. I didn't know everything was going to plummet. Lou said those calls are so old. Humusite. Added more because I'm an idiot. God, I'm an idiot. I don't care. Okay, comp down, but that one's for September 19th. The drones. ON's $4 one, August 17th. ON's better not let my ass down. I swear to God, they better not. NB, we got a rare earth down. LXRX down, which you have VKTX. VKTX is down bad. They're fucking following the phase 2 trial shows 12.2 weight loss Viking. That is not good. So data for their weight loss pill, not good. But keep in mind, LXRX has that deal with Nova. So this could be a nice little thing for LXRX. God forbid, if anything goes wrong with LXRX's development deal with Nova, fucking bail the fuck out, people. Bail out, probably. Well, they have other shit, but really, if I'm being totally honest, the development deal with Nova is my biggest thing because that's $1 billion deal, and they've already gotten, I think, $67 million for it, so it's going to come out in phases. Please, God, let them do something. Iova, up today. I'm bullish, obviously. Hyper bullish. That's a portable MRI machines for like neurologists that can, I don't know, whatever. That one's INVS, bet, PBI. That was an accident. I have a gambling problem, people. I do all of this just for my own fucking punishment. Knock. People, knock. Knock had news. A hedge fund bought into Knock, which, that's weird. I can't find it, but someone on a Knock page that I follow posted about it. So it was a screenshot of a hedge fund that got in. I think that is promising, people. God damn it. I literally bought calls this morning. Well, actually, wait. That one was yesterday. Fucking ABCL. I'm confident on ABCL going into January. I don't give a shit what anyone thinks on that one because ABCL, they have the platform. Their drugs might not be ready yet. I would almost get another one because I think they're going to come out with some type of AI deal of sorts. If I was going to say, get another one on there. Fuck that. I don't know. I think I do. Don't mind if I do. I shouldn't. I have paid down a lot of my shit. I'm gonna do it. Fuck it. That was on sale. I love a sale. As a woman, I love a sale. And then SoFi, I bought this December of last year. That's why it was so horribly overpriced. I don't know. Buying calls that long, I think that was not a good move. HIMS and TMC and UUU. This UU was up yesterday. Fuck that too. I say UUU. I say I get more UU. I don't think UU. I think UU is going to do something big. Do something magical by January. I am not nervous about this stock at all. Not at all. Processing, uranium processing is imperative. I would almost say go into UU. Why did I do this yesterday? I abused his account to get his shit yesterday, and now everything's on sale. That fucking sucks. That really sucks. Timing. Everything's about timing. This is that other account that looks like absolute shit with so much humusite. It's not even funny. What should I do with this one? The Eric's not doing too bad, though. Yeah, his shit is dropping here. And there's no more buying power. Worst thing. And MBOT, I'm not going to sell his MBOT because I'm going to wait. And you do have his Wolf dropping. ON's dropping. Could have got more ONs in there today. What did I have? $1.99. I might tell him. What if I tell him to put my money in there? Maybe I will. I'll say everything dropped. And it might look like shit right now. But believe you me. And OPTT maintaining somewhat. Which OPTT is definitely a bet on that account. For sure. But Energy Fuels, not a bet. Not a bet at all. Confident. I'm also confident on my HIMS. HIMS is going to go back up. That's what HIMS does. Obviously, none of this is investment advice. And I myself have an epically horrible gambling problem. I actually would like to get more HIMS at this price. Do they go to 35s? Do they go back down to the 20s? No. Not after they just acquired those. They acquired that European telehealth company. They're doing things. That's a huge market there for HIMS. They could go down more. I might wait. Calls for HIMS, though. Does HIMS. Okay, this was their last range of garbage. So it was pretty much a month. They were garbage, not garbage, but they were stagnant for a month. Do we think HIMS goes back up? Why wouldn't it, right? Why wouldn't it? It might not. TMC, that was probably a riskier move on my part. Should I have gotten all these TMC calls? Well, judging by what my daddy Gerard's doing now, slowly rising from the ashes like a phoenix, actually rising from the oceans like a Poseidon, because he will get those minerals, those sea minerals. And when Gerard is mining the cobalt from the seafloor, you could really say that that's just going to be marvelous. It'll bring peace and prosperity to all the people around the world that are enslaved mining cobalt. Why enslave the people when you could just get off the seafloor? Gerard, I think you're going to do it for us. I really certainly do. I would almost get more Gerard options here. I think I'm going to. Fuck that. $7 by fucking September 19th? Why not? Maybe not. I don't know. Let me see again. Gerard just needs a little bit of news. A little bit of news, people. A little bit of news. A little bit of news about his nodules. I think he does it. I think he does it. I think he does it like Hims and Hers does. They're just not getting very good recognition right now. But come September 19th, that long call, I should do that $5 one. A $4 one. That one's on sale for $50. Do I do it? Gerard, send me a sign. Or my grandma. My dead grandma could send me a sign from heaven right now. That one is down. That one's down 35%. What's he at there? 80. I don't know. $6 with a $5 one. You know, Gerard, I believe in you. I really do. I think Gerard gives it to me. All right, that's all I'm doing. I've been fucking up. Not fucking up, but this TMC. I could have got these so much cheaper. Oh, well. My UUU, I'm keeping that for sure. That'll go up. Prime, not worried about Prime. But if some of these go up, I'm definitely going to be selling these. SMR, down bad. Bad. SMR, oh my God. SMR, what does Oglo look like? I bet Oglo looks like straight shit too then. God damn it. Good thing I had sold that SMR out of his account yesterday then. SMR, that one down, I don't think for long. How much lower do they go? SMR might have a tricky situation in the coming months. Somebody said they are doing a dilution until December. But I think these small nuclear reactors, they might hit a snafu. But as long as they're up by the end of September, one pop at the end of September, I'm out. September might not be the best time. But I think we see things go up. These ASPI calls, 45. I have 4 of those. God damn it. Those are down horribly. Horribly. ASPI down. Now would be a good time to get more ASPI, to be honest. I do like ASPI a lot. Oh, Lightbridge. Let me see what Lightbridge is, because I am trying to build this stake in Lightbridge. That is perfect. What are they at? I think Lightbridge gets a little lower. Under 14. And I'm going to buy more Lightbridge. I'm watching this all day. I like Lightbridge. They're partnered with, well, they have partnership deals with Oklo and SMR. So Lightbridge, that one's promising. ASPI, Lightbridge, I like a lot. Uranium is down today. Actually, today could be a good day to get into the URNJ. Oh, it definitely could. Definitely could. I do this one in my other account, though. Let me see. I think I might. Not too bad. See, well, this is an ETF, so it's kind of held up by other things. And DNN had a big news. What was DNN's news? Oh, it didn't even help them. They had some mining news. What was their mining news? Production timeline is still intact and a rating upgrade. So today's just a bad day. Whatever. I got these calls. Some of them look like shit right now. My Aurora calls, I'm very hopeful on. My HIMS and TMC calls. SMR. I want to be hopeful. I really do. I do indeed. SMR can get into the 40s again. Do they get it by September 26th? God willing. God fucking willing.